YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be making a profile picture for a Roblox YouTuber. I am going to leave a link to his channel down below, so you guys can go ahead and check him out. If you guys want me to do more of these in the future, I will also do so. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is his user. I'm going to hit spawn R15. I'm gonna grab his player model. As you can see, he has his hats. Alright, so we're gonna click on it and we're just going to right click. I'm gonna hit export. Alright, so we're here inside Blender. This is one of my old scene files I have, so I'm just gonna fix these textures first of all. Alright, so I added his player texture and now I have to delete little headphones thingy and the flash character. Let's go back into layout, and here you can see his hats. So we're gonna take the shades, the hair, this thing, that should be all of it, right? Okay, so we got these and we're just gonna move these to the rig, as you guys can see. Alright YouTube, so before this video starts, just a little message for you guys. Don't forget to check out our store. As you can see here, we have free UI templates and also graphics packs you could use to learn from, and feel free to use the UI in your game. We have paid products here as well. We don't have too many products right now. In the future, the plan is to have hundreds and even thousands of products you could purchase and shop from, and that also means a ton more free stuff. If you could do us a favor, just check out our store right now. And also, as far as videos and the YouTube goes, since I'm going to be uploading daily, you can expect a large variety of content, tutorials, and a ton of, other stuff. So if today's video does not really interest you, just stay tuned for the next one. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Make sure you leave a like, join our Discord, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. And now I just gotta position these accordingly, just like that. That should be fine. I think it's like this, right? Alright, so that should be fine, and with this I could delete all these now. This is not important anymore. Alright, so with this I could remove the little background thingy, and we have the character. Let's adjust some of the textures, materials a little bit, just to make everything look nicer. We have the character. I want to turn down specular. You can see with it up, it looks a bit weird, so I'm going to keep this down like that. Maybe metallic just a little bit, roughness not really. You don't really see the point to it. I think this looks pretty good. I'm gonna adjust the sun a little bit though, it's kind of bright. So I'm gonna copy the sun, I'm gonna adjust the angle. Alright, maybe like that. Alright, I think this is good. Now if we go into our camera, we go ahead and position this. Turn up the focal length. I just wanna grab the upper half of the body here, and we can make maybe somewhat of a more interesting pose. I'm going to grab the hats first and set the parent to the head. Just do something for pose. I don't know. So we have this right here. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, I think we are ready to render this out. Alright, so here we are inside Photoshop. I just added this little sky background. I might change this later, but I think it looks decent for now. I'm trying to figure out how I want this framed. I wish I could get more of the horns, but then it's gonna look awkward, so I think it has to be somewhere like over here. I could zoom enlarge a little bit, I guess, but I think this looks fine. I like where it's going so far. It looks pretty clean. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to make some basic adjustments of the camera raw filter that we have right here. Let me think of the look I want to go for. I want to go for something nice and smooth actually. So if I turn texture up and clarity down, it's gonna look like that. But if I turn clarity up and texture down, it will look a bit bland. So I want the texture up and the clarity down a little bit, just a little like that. Exposure down as well to keep this clean. If you guys have too much contrast like that in your render, it will make it look weird, so try to keep things as balanced as you possibly can. Highlights, don't want this too bright, so keep this lower. Shadows, we can afford to go a little bit down. Whites, bring this up just a bit, and blacks. Sharpening, definitely a little bit. And you can see the before and after. It's a pretty clear difference right there. So from here, there's many things we could do. We could go into blending options, inner shadow. Alright, so now with this, I'm just gonna do some painting. So I'll go for this right here. As you can see, I'm just gonna go soft light. Alright, I think this should glow. I don't know why, but I just feel like it will make the avatar a lot more interesting. So let's see, I think it does look a lot better. In terms of background, I don't really know what to go for. It looks terrible. I suppose I could just test some things out here. I'm just gonna do a bit more adjustments here with the brush tool. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. A pretty simple one. Like I said, if you guys want to check out his channel, link is going to be down below. Leave some comments for some more videos you guys want to see. Check out our store, join the Discord, and with that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.